Here we have a classic 1929 Ford Model A Roadster. This car came to us just the way you see it, and the thing runs and drives actually as nice as you'd expect a Model A to. We'll get a look around the car here and we'll get it fired up in a little bit for you. But in the meantime, as I said, you can tell this one is the Roadster. I left the top up so everyone can see what that looks like. See the top's in pretty decent shape up there. Now it's got what we kind of call the typical Model A paint. It's definitely an older paint, and you can see it's checking in some places and kind of gives it that patina or sweaty look, as some people call it. And you know, as you can see walking around it here, the car looks good, but if you get up close to it, you'll see some of the checking in the paint and that sort of thing. But that seems to be kind of what everybody wants on these Model A's. A lot of folks don't want their 80-year-old car to look brand new, so we'll show you a few of those things here now as we go around it. Very solid car. As you can see, get down there a little bit, you can see back here. Hopefully if you watch in here, you'll see where some of the checking in the paint is. In the video there, you can see from the reflection. And we'll open the back here. Again, there's paint imperfections here and there, but the nice thing is that the car is solid, it runs well, and it's ready for your parade or run to town or whatever you might want to do with it. It's all stock. It hasn't been, you know, it's not a street rod. It's still got the 29 style 4-cylinder engine in it. It does have a side mount spare, as you can tell. We'll get a look at the inside here real quick. There we go. Like I said, all in stock form. There's the switch gear and the fuel gauge and so on. Of course, the choke is over there. We'll get her fired up here for you. Alright, fired right up. We'll look under the hood here. As you watch, a lot of these Model A's are known for the water pump leaking. You can see that one's nice and dry. No signs of leaking there. Radiator looks to be in pretty good shape. Fuel bowl here. We'll give her one more walk around so you can hear it as it's running. Now you can see all the still pictures of this car on our website at uniqueclassiccars.com, where you'll be able to see the inside, outside, and the underside of this car in its entirety. Trades are considered as well. We can help arrange transport. Financing is available. So all sorts of ways to help get this beautiful car into your garage. Again, you can see all the pictures at our website at uniqueclassiccars.com.